Hi students, today we are discussing one more application. It is related to dynamic programming, that is multi-stage graph. The name says what it does exactly. Multi-stage, more than one stage, a graph. Okay, a graph consists of vertices and edges. Here a multi-stage graph, it is a directed graph. Directed in the sense they give some directions in the graph related to the vertices and edges, in which the vertices are proportioned into k greater than or equal to two disjoint sets. They give some condition k greater than or equal to two disjoint sets vi comma 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to k. Here I varies from 1 to k. In additionally, if you take, if the condition if u comma v is an edge in capital letter E, then u less than or equal to vi and v summation of vi plus 1 for some I. In the sense I varies from 1 to k, 1 less than or equal to I less than to k. Okay, so if there will be only one vertex, then the sets will be vi and vk, such that if we have to be written vi in open square braces, open left square brace va and close right square brace, that is equal to vk, that equal to 1. Let us assume s and t be the the source and t be the destination respectively. Here we have to be calculated the cost of a path from source s to a destination tree. In the sense it is the sum of the cost of the edges on the path, sum of the costs of the edges on the path. So the multi-stage problem is to find a minimum cost path from source to a destination s to a t. Here each set represents vi defines a stage in the graph. So every path from source to destination starts in stage 1, it will goes to stage 2, then it will goes to stage 3, likewise then it will goes to stage 4 and so on, and it terminates in stage k. So this multi-stage graph a problem can be solved in two ways. How many ways it can be solved? In two ways. The first way is nothing but forward method, the second way is nothing but backward method. In this video we will discuss only the first way, that is nothing but a forward method. Let us the forward method, we need to assume that there are k stages in a graph. Graph consists of vertices and edges. In this forward approach we will find out the cost of each and every node. We will find out the cost of each and every node starting from the kth stage to the first stage. Listen carefully, kth stage to the first stage we will follow forward approach. Next we will find out the cost of each and every node from starting kth stage to the first stage, and we will find out the path, that is minimum cost path. What we have to find out there? Minimum cost path from source s to the destination t, that is stage 1 to stage k. What is the main procedure? We need to follow these steps for solving forward approach. We need to find a minimum cost path. Here some 7 points is there. Look at the first point, the procedure, in the sense one of the mechanism we need to follow in a step by step manner. First of all we need to maintain a cost matrix. Cost matrix, it represented n, which stores the distances from any vertex, the distances from any vertex to the destination. Okay, and coming to the second point, if your vertex is having more than one path, if we have some vertex in a given graph, the vertex is having multiple paths, then we have to choose the minimum distance. So what if you have to be chosen there? Minimum distance path and intermediate vertex. Okay, so which gives the minimum distance path, it will be stored in the distance array, which will be indicated the letter D. Okay, coming to the third point, in this way we will find out the cost, the minimum cost path from each and every vertex. We need to find the minimum cost path. Coming to the fourth point, finally if we have to be calculated the cost of 1. Okay, finally the cost of 1 will give the shortest distance, from source to the destination. Okay, for if we have to be finding the minimum cost path for starting from vertex 1, then the distance array D of 1 will give distance array D of 1 will give the minimum cost neighbor vertex, will give the minimum cost whatever the neighboring vertex x, which in turn it give the next nearest vertex, and we need to proceed in this way till we reach the destination. Okay, what I meant to say here, first of all, if you need to finding the path starting from vertex 1, then the distance array D of 1, it will give the minimum cost. It is very neighboring the vertex, which in turn it will give the next nearest vertex, and we will proceed in this way, then we will reach the destination T. So the sixth point is, for a k stage graph there will be k vertex in the path. Okay, it is a k stage graph, there will be have a k vertex in the path. The last point in the graph, I giving some graph v1 to v5 in the below graph. Here look at this, I mentioned in the above graph, not in the above graph, in the below graph v1 and so on up to v5, it will represent the stages. Look at this graph, it will have v1, v2, v3, v4, v5. Okay, these are the vertices. Okay, it will represent the stages v1 stage, v2 stage, v3 stage, v4 stage, v5 stage. It represents the stages. This 5 stage graph can be solved by using forward approach. It can be solved by using the forward approach technique. It will as follows. Listen carefully, otherwise you can't able to understand the problem. Okay, this is one of the graph stage graph here the vertices they given v1, v2, v3, v4, v5. V5 in the sense v1 to v5, 5 stages they are given. Okay, look at this diagram and draw at notes this forward approach graph, otherwise we can't able to understand. Here look at the steps. First of all, if we have to be calculated the cost and distance array, okay, the cost of 12 will be assigned to 0. They can't given the cost of 12 they are not given. Here look at this, yes in the sense source vertex 1, 12 in the sense destination vertex, that is will be represented as T. Okay, now we will see the cost steps destination comma at D. Okay, whatever it may be, destination you have to be calculated and distance array whatever it may be. Here look at the cost of 12 will be assigned to 0. There is no number beside of the 12. That's why we can place cost of 12 will be assigned to 0. And coming to the cost of 11, look at the cost of 11, it will reach to the 12. How much the cost value? Cost of 11, 5. Now we have to be look at the diagram. If we have to be look at the cost of 11 will be a 5, it will goes to the 12 destination at T. Okay, and now coming to the cost of 10 node, if we have to be look at a 10 node, cost of 10 will go to the 12th node. How much the cost value? Cost of 10 will be assigned to 2. And coming to the cost of 9, it will be assigned to 4. And likewise now if we have to be calculated the distance of array. Okay, Here if we have to be calculated distance of 12 up to distance of 1 amma. Now first of all, if we have to be calculated distance of 12 is there is no distance, there is no destination to other side if we have to move. That's why we can place it at, initially we've placed at 0. Distance of 12 will be 0. And coming to the distance of 11, distance of 11 where it goes at 12. Okay, where it goes the 11 will it is the directed it is a direct way out to go to the 12. That's why distance of destination of 12 will be at 12. Okay, and destination of 10 will be at 12. Destination of 9 will be at 12. Why? Because of the direction will be go through the 12 destination. Okay, for forward approach we need to study about the formula here. Cost of I comma j that will be assigned to minimum of c of j comma 1 plus cost of I plus 1 comma 1 and close flower brace. Here minimum 1 belongs to vi plus 1 and j comma 1 belongs to edge. Okay, 1 belongs to vi plus 1, j comma 1 belongs to e, capital letter E. Okay, the cost of I comma j that will be assigned to minimum of 1 belongs to vi plus 1, j comma 1 belongs to capital letter E. Here the formula cost of j comma 1 plus cost of I plus 1 comma 1. If you have to be learn this formula, it is very important. Okay, now what if we have to be calculated cost and destination if we have to be calculated. Okay, the cost of 12, 11, 10, 9 will be completed. Now we will coming to the cost of 8. You doesn't know the cost of 8. There will be two directions is there. Okay, cost of 8 will be assigned to, look at the formula, minimum of C of cost of what if you have to be calculated cost of 8. That's why 8 will be 8 where it will goes to 8, the direction will be 10 will be there and the direction will be 11 will be there. Look at the minimum of cost of C of 8 comma 10 plus 8 comma 10 plus cost of I plus 1 comma 1. Okay, what the formula here, cost of 8 comma 10 in the sense 8 it will goes to 10 plus cost of 10 in the sense cost of I plus 1. Okay, in the sense 10, only 10. What if you have to be chosen there the node 8 to 10 comma and one more c of 8 comma 11 in the sense the cost of 8 comma where it will goes the 8th node, it will goes 10th node and it will goes 11th node. That's why comma c of 8 comma 11 plus cost of what, the 8th node will be reach 11th. Okay, cost of 11. Okay, now we have to be calculated minimum of cost of 8 comma 10. How much ma cost? Look at the diagram, 8 to 10 the direction will be there. How much the cost? 5 plus cost of 10 in the sense, you know, above if we have to look at the steps, cost of 10 they mention 2 is there. Look at the above condition, cost of 10 will be assigned to 2 comma cost of 8 comma 11, 8 to 11 the cost of 6 plus cost of 11 in the sense if we have to write down above na cost of 11 how much? 5. Yes, if we have to be add minimum of 5 plus 2 7 comma 6 plus 5 11. Which one is minimum? 7 is the minimum, 11 is the minimum, 7 is the minimum. Now the cost of 8 is will be assigned to 7. Now we have to be calculate destination of 8. Look at the destination of 8 here. Destination of 8 will be goes to 10th node and 11th node. Which one is the optimum value? 5 is the optimal value, 6 is the optimal value, 5 is the optimal value. Then we have to be written distance of 8 is equal to destination of 8 is equal to 10. Why? Because of the optimal value 5. The 5 or 6 we compare 5. 5 is less. Okay, and destination of 8 will be assigned to 10. Okay, likewise we have to be calculated. Now we have to be calculated cost of 7. Now we have to use the formula. Cost of 7 will be assigned to minimum of cost of 7 comma 7. It will where it will be goes to the direction 9 and 10. Okay, cost of 7 comma 9 plus cost of 9 comma cost of 7 comma 10 plus cost of 10. Okay, now we have to be chosen cost of 7 comma 9. 7 comma 9 how much the value will be here there? 4 plus cost of 9. Cost of 9 in the sense they given in the question, they given in the above steps there. Cost of 9 will be assigned to 4 ma 4 comma cost of 7 comma 10 how much? 7 comma 10 will be 3 ma. 3, listen carefully, 3 plus cost of 10, how much? Cost of 10, 2. Okay, now if you have to be calculated minimum of 8 comma 5, which one is minimum? 5 is the minimum value. Now we have to be calculated cost 6. Cost 6 is equal to minimum of cost of 6 comma 6, where it will goes the nodes 9, 6 will go to the 9 and 6 will go to the 10. Okay, now if you have to be calculated cost of 6 comma 9 plus plus cost of 9 comma cost of 6 comma 10 plus cost of 10, that will be assigned to minimum of cost of 6 comma 9, how much the value will be? 6 plus cost of 9, how much? 4 comma cost of 6 comma 10, how much? 5 plus cost of 10, how much? 2. Now we have to be calculated minimum of 10 comma 7. Which one is minimum? 7. Now the cost of 6 will be 7. Now we have to be calculated destination of 6. Destination of 6, where it will be goes destination of 6 will goes to 9th node and 6 will goes to 10th node. Which one is optimal? 6 is optimal, 5 is optimal, 5 is optimal. Then destination of 6 will be assigned to 10. Okay, up to now if you have to be understood. Now we have to be calculated cost of 5. Cost of 5 is equal to minimum of cost of 5, where it will goes to cost of 5 will goes to 7th node and cost of 5 will goes to the 8th node. Okay, for cost of 5 comma 7 plus cost of 7 comma cost of 5 comma 8 plus cost of 8. Now we have to be calculated minimum of cost of 5 comma 7, how much the value? 11 plus cost of 7, how much we have to be calculated? 5 comma cost of 5 comma 8, how much the value? 8 plus cost of 8, how much the value? Cost of 8, how much the value here? Cost of 8, cost of 8, how much? 7. Now we have to be calculated minimum of 16 comma 15. Which one is minimum? 15. Now we have to be calculated, listen carefully ma. Cost of 5, cost of 4, cost of 3 I can tell you, cost of 2, cost of 1 I can't tell you. Listen carefully. Cost of 5 will be assigned to 15. Now we have to be calculated destination of 5. Destination of 5, the fifth node will be go to the 7 and 8. Which one is the minimum value? 11 or 8? 8 is the minimum value. Now destination of 5 will be assigned to 8. Okay, now we have to be calculated cost of 4. Cost of 4 will be assigned to minimum of cost of 4 will be fourth node will be go to the 8th node. That's enough. Only one way. Cost of 4 comma 8 plus cost of 8. Okay, now cost of 4 comma 8, how much? 11 plus cost of 8, how much? 7. 11 plus 7, how much? 18. Cost of 4 is equal to 18. Now we have to be calculated destination of 4. Destination of 4 is equal 4 will goes to only 8th node. That's enough. That will be assigned to destination of 4 will be 8. That's enough. Now we have to be calculated cost of 3. Look at cost of 3. Cost of 3 will be assigned to minimum of cost of cost node of 3. How it will? Node 3 will goes to 6. Node 3 will be goes to 7. Okay, node will goes to 3 to 6. How much the cost? 2. 3 to 7. How much the cost? 7. Now we have to be calculated cost of 3. Minimum of cost of 3 comma 6 plus cost of 6 comma cost of 3 comma 7 plus cost of 7. Now we have to be calculated minimum of cost of 3 comma 6, how much? 2 plus cost of 6, how much? 7 comma cost of 3 comma 7, how much? 7 plus cost of 7, how much? 5. Now if you have to be calculated minimum of 9 comma 12, which one is minimum? 9. Cost of 3 will be assigned to 9. Now we have to be calculated destination of 3. Look at the destination of 3. 3 node will goes to 6 and 7. 3 to 6 the cost will be 2. 3 to 7 the cost will be 7. Which one is minimum? 2 is minimum. That why we will be wrote the destination of 3 will be assigned to 6. Okay, and coming to the cost of 2. Cost of 2 in the sense minimum of cost of 2 comma 6. Second node will be go to the 6, second node will be go to the 7, second node will be go to the 8. Okay, cost of 2 comma 6 plus cost of 6 comma cost of 2 comma 7 plus cost of 7 comma cost of 2 comma 8 plus cost of 8. Okay, here look at the diagram. Here minimum of cost of 2 comma 6, how much? 2 comma 6, 4 4 plus cost of 6, how much? 7 comma. Now a cost of 2 comma 7, how much? 2 comma 7, 2 2 plus cost of 7, how much? 5 comma cost of 2 comma 8. I did mistake here, listen carefully. 2 comma 8, the arrow mark, the cost is 10 all of you make it as 2 to 8, the cost will be 10. All of you make it as notes. 2 to 8, the cost will be 10 all of you place 1 beside 0, in the sense 10. 2 to 8, how much? 10 plus cost of 8, how much? 7. Now minimum of 4 plus 7, how much? 11 comma 2 plus 7, 7 comma here 10 plus 7 10 plus 7, how much? 17. The minimum value here, minimum of 11 comma 7 comma 17, which one is minimum? 7 is the minimum value. Okay, now we have to move cost of 1. Listen carefully, cost of 1 minimum of cost of 1, where it goes? 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5. Okay, a cost of 1 comma 5. Okay, here look at 1 comma 2 plus cost of 2 comma cost of 1 comma 3 comma plus cost of 3 comma c a cost of 1 comma 4 plus cost of 4 comma cost of 1 comma 5 plus cost of 5. Okay, now if you have to be calculated cost of 1 comma 2, how much the value? 9 plus cost of 2, how much? Cost of 2, 1 to 2, 9. Okay, 9 1 to 2, how much the cost? 9 amma. Okay, cost of 1 comma 2, 9 plus cost of 2, how much? Cost of 2, the value will be 7. Cost of 2 above is there look at this, above is destination of 2 also I didn't say, listen carefully. Destination of 2, destination of second node 2 will be goes to 6 7 8 10 2 4, which one is minimum? 2 is the minimum, that's why I can dotted lines 2 to 7. Okay, the minimum value. Next 7 to 10, it's a minimum value 3. 10 to 12, the minimum value is 2. Okay, likewise we have to be calculated here. Cost of 1 comma 3, how much? 7 plus cost of 3, how much? Cost of 3 will be 9 comma cost of 1 comma 4, how much? 3 plus cost of 4, how much? Cost of 4 18. Cost of 4 18 comma cost of 1 comma 5, how much? 2 plus cost of 5, how much? Cost of 5 will be cost of 5, where we have to be cost of 5 will be 15. Okay, now we have to be minimum of 9 plus 7, how much? 16 comma 21 comma 17. The minimum value is 16 comma 16. 16 is the minimum value. Cost of 1 will be assigned to 16, and destination of 1, we have to be look at destination of 1, where it goes first 2, that will be destination of 1 will be assigned to 9. Destination of 1 will be assigned to 9. Okay, destination of 1 will be go to the second node in stage 2, vertex stage 2. 1, it will goes the direction first stage 2. Destination of 1 will be assigned to 2. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation. First node to 12th node, the cost will be, cost of 1 will be how much? 16, cost of 2 7, cost of 3 9, cost of 4 18, cost of 5 15, cost of 6 7, cost of 7 5, cost of 8 7, cost of 9 4, cost of 10 2, cost of 11 5, cost of 12 0. Now you are coming to the destination of 1. Destination of 1 will be I can wrote a 2 or 3, whatever it may be 2 or 3. Okay. Now destination of 2, how much? The value 7. Destination of 3, 6. Destination of 4, 8. Destination of 5, how much? 8. Destination of 6, 10. Destination of 7, 10. Destination of 8, 10. Destination of 9, 12. Destination of 10, 12. Destination of 11, 12. Destination of 12, 12. Now the path through which you have to find the shortest path. If you need to find the shortest path, shortest path, if you have to be calculated, the value it will become to the 16, the destination value here. If we have to look at the diagram, I have to give some dotted lines. 1 to 2 9, 2 to 7 2, 7 to 10 3, 10 to 12 2. Okay, amma, here look at the 1 to 2, 2 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 12. The cost, so start from vertex 2, amma. Destination of 1 is 2, 2. Destination of 2, 7. Destination of 7, 10. Destination of 10 will be 12. From vertex 2, from vertex at 2 it will come from. So the minimum cost path is 1 to 2, 2 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 12. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. So the minimum cost path is 16. Okay, this is nothing but source to destination. We have to choose the shortest path, amma. We have to choose the shortest distance from source to a destination vertex. Okay, and now we have to be study about the forward method approach algorithm. Okay, the time complexity of this forward method is order of mod v plus e, v vertices plus edges, amma. Order of vertices plus edge. The time complexity of this forward method is order of open left parenthesis mod v plus e, vertices plus edges, and close right parenthesis, and close mod, and then if you have to be close right parenthesis. The time complexity of this forward method is big O of mod v plus e. Okay, and coming to the algorithm of forward method graph, amma. Algorithm forward graph, if you have to be taken g comma k comma n comma key, where input is a K stage graph. G is equal to, it consists of vertices and edges with n vertex. Okay, and coming to the indexed in order of stages, capital E is a set of edges, and C of I comma j is the cost of I comma j. P is the minimum cost path, amma. From it will varies from 1 to k. Here we will assign the first cost of n will be assigned to 0.0. For if you have to if you have to take the condition, j will be assigned to n minus 1 to 1. We have to do the step 1, and we need to compute cost of j. Let here r be the vertex such that j comma r is an edge of graph g, and we have to be calculated cost of j comma r plus cost of r is the minimum cost path. Cost of j comma r plus cost of r is minimum cost. Okay, now cost of j will be assigned to cost of j plus r plus cost of r, semicolon. Now we have to be calculate source to destination of j. SD of j, it will be assigned to r. R will be the vertex such that j comma r is an edge of a g graph. SD of j will be assigned to r. Now we need to find a minimum cost path. P of 1 will be assigned to 1. P of k will be assigned to n. For loop j will be assigned to 2 to k minus 1. Do. Now we have to check the condition. P of j, P is the minimum cost path of j that will be assigned to destination D of P of j minus 1, semicolon. Here the time complexity of this forward method is order of mod v plus e. This is nothing but a forward approach method. Okay, we need to check the conditions based upon the given graph. Here they are given 5 stages, v1 up to v5. This is the forward method approach. If you have any doubts, can you please contact me. Thank you.